So this Euro Yen analysis for Thursday, the 5th of April. Now, let's just have a look what even prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the Euro Yen, we've had this move upwards, a brief consolidation beneath the 400 period moving average, pretty much at a price contraction squeeze. Saw a breakdown in prices, head down towards breaking beyond the 30.60, headed down towards the 30.20. We're in around the 30.30s. Before we did see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market, strong move to the upside, breaking beyond the 30.60 and the 400 and 200 period moving average confluence. Head up towards that 30.94, brief consolidation above the 30.94, from which we use it as a springboard to break to the upside towards that 31.40. Now from this 31.40, we are seeing some brief sell side momentum. We'll see whether we do form just merely a pullback before we see upwards continuation. So if we do see the further sell side momentum follow through, we're looking for price head down towards that 30.94. We do have to be aware that we do have the 200 period moving average pretty close by. So if we do head down there, we could use it as an area of confluence for a potential bounce, and for prices that then head up towards that 31.70. Beyond 31.70, the very next important level that we are looking at is a move up towards that 32.02, and beyond 32.02 we've got 32.40, which I'd expect to be the far end of the range, even if we do have a particularly volatile day here on the Euro Yen. So those are the levels that we're pretty much looking at. The very important level of 31.70, where we could actually turn around, and also the 32.02 before looking for price head up towards that 32.44. If, however, we do break down from this 30.94 and we do see the further sell side momentum, we'll be looking for prices down towards that 30.60. Successful break from which we're then looking for prices to retest the 129.95 or this 130 level. But we have to be aware of that prices could possibly turn around in around those 30.20 before seeing a further move to the upside. But those are levels that we're pretty much looking at. I wouldn't anticipate us moving much beyond the 130 level or the 129.95. Beyond the 129.95. But if we did, the very next key important level that we are looking at here is a move down towards that 129.45. And with that said, let's just have a brief look at the daily chart for wrapping up here on the Euro Yen. So if we head over to the daily chart on Euro Yen, we get scale on here correct. We can see that we're still in a bit of a consolidative range. We've had the sell side momentum, the downside move upwards, formed a new lower low. We've had a rejection of the 200 period moving average, and we're still consolidating sideways on the Euro Yen. But we do have a low, potentially a higher low, so there is still room for further upside momentum, possibly up towards our key important levels of 31.70 and 32.02, where we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average here on the daily chart. And with that said, that wraps up the Euro Yen analysis. Thanks for watching.